Today I'm collecting the Friday food gift. So that. Thank you. Gonna get the two food gifts. Oh, why is there only one? The night outfit, and we also got this. Chanel, look, it's the night outfit. Let's pack this for overnight. Let's go.
So why are your other iPad you only got 2?
Knock, 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 knock. Knock, knock. Guys, just kidding. Can I give you this? Thank you. Can you answer the door? Fine. Yes. Hi. Can you please tell your parents to come send this? Auntie! Yeah? Did you buy something without your mom knowing? No? Okay, I'm gonna grab this. There you go. What are these? Free gifts. Thank you. Oh, she's weird. Lock it! Okay, I need my purse back. Let me pull this out. Give me the purse. Here. Give me the gifts. Here. Can't wait to see what this is. Night outfit. Give that to mommy. This is so cute. Aw, you can go next to my 2 little hammies. Let's go give this to mommy. I want to go downstairs. Oh, hi, baby. Yes. Here you go. Thank you. I just want to go change. This fits me because it's so big and I'm pregnant. I can't even believe that we made this before our baby was even born. Come on, baby. Just what's that doing? I think he's up. Let's go check. Let's just go here. Alright. Bye. Wait, I want to come downstairs.